Hindi naman nahihiya, pero meron. Yung maging kami. Joke. Hi ATM, this is Eman Pacquiao. Here are my knockout truths. Yung style ng tinuro ng coach ko. Hindi ko bet. Yung in-interview mo.
Bakit?
Tinanong ako ng ganito ganyan tapos mali yung inasagot ko. Bago lang.
Tungkol saan yun?
Secret. Hindi naman nahihiya, pero meron. Yung maging kami. Joke. Love life. Silent treatment. Pabango. I deserve to be respected, me and my family. Always pray to God, stay disciplined. Being a good Christian and being godly and a great boxer. Thank you for watching. This is Eman. God bless.